Well, here's my latest project I've been working on. It's a little magic bullet blender motor. It's going to be thrown away. Lately I've been doing a lot of knife work. Tons of knives. Gotta make handles for these. Use that walnut for handles. Anyway, been doing a ton of sharpening, and I don't have a nice polishing wheel or anything. And I've been doing it all by hand. Throw duct tape on the back and cut it into slivers and just back and forth polishing these things. So I figured I could repurpose this motor and make a polishing wheel with it. So anyhow, I clipped the main wires there, just one, and extended it over to this switch underneath, wired it up, and just brought it right back and linked it up to where it originally hooked up at. Soldered that all together, and anyway, I got it plugged in here. My wire's all coiled up, and here we go. Check it out. I just gotta get the wheel to come off of it. I was literally working with the pieces of the blender. This is the oh, you can't see that side. It's like that. It's where it would hook up normally, and the blades are there, but I was actually gonna do this, have that hooked up here, and that would cause this wheel to rotate. But this ended up being so heavy, and it's actually slightly off center. So if I turn this little motor on with this RPM, it'll be like the vibrator in your phone or like a gaming controller. It would just throw this machine all around, probably bounce off the table. So anyway, once I get a little axle, something that's dead center, will spin perfectly. Make a nice little tool out of this thing rather than just throwing it away. So anyway, sorry about the noise. It's my homemade air filtration system going up there. Anyhow, that's my latest little silly project I'm doing. Have a good one.